Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you when it comes to the croquettes, add the same ingredients except the milk. You want the mash to be firmer than the mash that I made for the cottage pie. So the next thing to do with the Yam and Dasheen croquettes is to make mini cylinders, dip them in eggs, after that breadcrumbs, and deep fry them until you have that wonderful golden brown color. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube. If you're seeing this video on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next